my name is Miss Betty and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you know, it's December season, it's New Year's, Christmas time, so I wanted to decorate my Christmas tree with you. What I want to do is, I actually saw one girl on YouTube doing this video and that was really fun for me to watch, and I was like, I definitely need to do that. So as you can see, now we're in my living room because this is the space where I want to put my Christmas tree. Theme for this year will be like white, silver and gold Christmas tree. That is basically what I did last year, but you will see what I'm doing this year. So if you need inspiration, maybe you know where to find it. So I have my Christmas tree with me here. I'm going to show you. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you can see. This is the Christmas tree that I bought last year, but it's big, I like it, and I save it for this year's too. And I'm going to show you some of the ornaments that I have. For example, this one here. As you can see, we have white, gold and little silver. Then I have these cute bows here. I use this to tie them because it's hard for me, but I have my bows in white, and also I have big silver and smaller. And then I bought this year these little feathery ones, which I think really cute. And I have one more, and then I have like, I think I have silver and white ribbons, so I think my Christmas tree will be like so cute this year. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean to me a lot. And also you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be somewhere here, I think. And yeah, that's it. Now we can start decorating my tree. Guys, I'm so sorry because I just saw when I checked my videos that you actually can't see because I forgot to make the settings better, but I think you can see everything now. And this is what I did with my tree. I put the lights and these ribbons, like I kind of like crisscrossed them, like I was putting them here and here and here and here and here, and we have here 3 different ribbons, and I have these small parts where I want to put them if I see that I feel like my tree is empty somewhere. For example, here, I feel like my tree here is really like empty. So I'm just going to put this here. Like that. So now guys, now it's time for my ornaments. I have them here, I have them everywhere, and I think I'm going to put my ribbons in the end. You know what guys, let me tell you one thing. If I now put the ornaments, this is looking really funny here, but if I now put the ornaments, then when I put my ribbons, I think it will be really difficult for me. I will have to move my ornaments, so we're actually going to do the ribbons first, and then we're going to do the ornaments instead. I just need to take those extensions off because my hair started hurting and I definitely didn't like how they look on me. But here is my tree. Now we're going to continue decorating it. So this ribbon, I'm going to put it here. And after that, what I want to do is that I actually want to put my Christmas top, because my Christmas top, like Christmas tree, like topper, or however you call it, it's kind of complicated. Okay, I like it like this. I like it like this. I'm going to show you why it's complicated, because for my Christmas, like this here, I wanted to, actually I bought these babies, and I was kind of thinking that I'm just going to stab them here in my tray and make, you know, you probably saw it like flower, but the thing is this, that is a little bit complicated to do. And I also have these ones, but they kind of go here, and I have one really cute, which I really love, this one, and it also goes somewhere here. So what I did, I took I took 4, and I actually already tied them, and now I'm going to put them kind of here. That is going to be the most difficult part for me because I need help, and my mother doesn't like to be filmed. So, okay, please, no. Yeah, I told you that is definitely going to be the most difficult thing for me. So, guys, my mother helped me to put this here, but as you can see, it's not perfect. I'm just going to make it perfect. Like, I'm going to move these ones here. Like that. And I feel like I'm missing one here. I don't know what's the deal with that. I feel like maybe, no, but I have these ones, and I'm going to stick them here. I'm just going to stick them in the tree. Like, it doesn't matter. They doesn't have to stay like perfect, you see? I'm just going to put them like that. But I don't know what to do with this one. I feel like I need one here maybe. What do you think? And then I have this little kind of a, you see, it's like glittery sticks. I don't know. And I'm also going to stick them here. Like, as you can see, I'm just sticking them randomly so my tree looks richer. are not going to fall off, don't worry, they're going to only fall off if you put them like that, you know. Now we're finally going to put ornaments, and I think that's pretty much it. We will see, but now we have the most difficult part because we have a lot of ornaments to put in this tree. So let's start! I think it's really cute and really pretty. As you saw, I had a little helper, so I really like it. The only thing that I'm going to do off camera, but you can see my picture on Instagram, and I definitely going to upload it. I want to put like fur here, some white fur, and maybe throw some pillows. Then I have this paper, I don't know if you can see, but with that I'm going to make kind of like a presents to wrap them and to put them here, and it's going to be really cute. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you like it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that was it.